Hello everyone, and welcome. Today I will quickly show you how to reset oil life, or whatever number indicates maintenance required for your new Honda Accord. You can do this if you do your own services, or if your technician forgets to reset it. So let's hop over to it. So after the oil change, we need to reset the oil life. On older models of the Honda Accord, you can reset the oil life using the knob on the instrument cluster. So let's do it. Step 1. Put on the ignition. Step 2. Press the select knob on the instrument cluster and find the oil life screen. Step 3. Hold the select knob for 10 seconds until the oil life going to start blinking. Step 4. Release and then press the knob for 5 seconds more, and the oil life will reset to 100%. Like the predecessor, in this 9th generation Accord, you can reset the oil life using the button on the cluster. So let's get into it now. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, or press the power button twice. Step 2. Hit the knob on the cluster until you see oil life on the screen. Step 3. Hold down the button until you see the oil life percentage start to flash. Step 4. Release the button and hold it again, and the oil life will reset to 100%. The other way, which is also very easy to reset the oil life, is using the navigation buttons on the steering wheel. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Switch over the ignition to the on position or press the power button twice. Step 2. Scroll using the down button until we reach the vehicle settings menu, and then press select to enter. Step 3. Scroll down again until you reach the maintenance reset, and then press select. Step 4. Select reset to execute the oil life reset. If you have a 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord, you can reset the maintenance light using the navigation buttons on the steering wheel. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Press the power button twice without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the home button on the steering wheel to enter the main menu. Step 3. Roll the left selector wheel to scroll through the menu and find the maintenance menu. Step 4. Press the selector wheel to enter the menu. Step 5. Once you're on the remaining oil life screen, press the selector wheel to enter the reset mode. Step 5. Scroll to the All Do items and then press the wheel to reset. This new Honda Accord has 2 types of reset, and for those of you whose car has equipped with a GPS system, this is where we are going to reset. So let's see how we get this done. Step 1. Push the home button on the main display. Step 2. Tap on Settings menu. Step 3. Select Vehicle menu. Step 4. Go down to the bottom and select Maintenance Info. Step 5. It'll come up with what's due and what it is, which is always nice to know. So you're going to go ahead to select Reset items. Step 6. Tap on either All Do items or a specific item. Step 7. Hit Reset and it will turn into 100%. There are 2 methods to reset the maintenance light on a 2023 Honda Accord. The first method is using buttons on the steering wheel, and the second one using the touchscreen. So let's go through the first method to reset it. Step 1. Start up the car. Step 2. Roll the right selector wheel until you see the vehicle settings menu. Step 3. Press the selector wheel to enter the menu. Step 4. Scroll down again until you find Maintenance Reset and click on it. Step 5. Scroll down to All Do items and click again and you're done. If the first method doesn't work, the second method involves using the touchscreen. So just follow me along. Step 1. Start by clicking the Home button on the screen. Step 2. Navigate to the right until you find Vehicle Settings and tap on it. Step 3. Scroll right again to locate maintenance information and click on it. Step 4. Tap on Select Reset Items. Step 5. You will have the option to choose either all Do items or a specific item. Choose according to your preference. Step 6. Tap on Reset and you're done. So that's how you do it. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome Honda tips and tricks. Have questions or want to share your Honda experiences? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.